Hi, Jeff here from TAP, and just a quick one on setting up your workshop for the new year. Okay, we're all back on deck after our break, our Christmas New Year break. Hopefully everyone's had a good break and we're back on deck to start up 2024. Now might be the time to have a look at your workshop layout, tools, where they're located, etc. See if you make some minor improvements or some big improvements to your workshop to make life a little bit easier for you and your technicians during 2024. So it's a matter of looking at different things like your workshop layout. Where's your scan tools? How accessible are they? Tools that you use regularly, are they accessible and easy to get to? Cleanliness sort of things, positioning of servicing tools, etc. So a good opportunity to maybe have a bit of a think about where things are situated in your workshop, located, for instance. Are they accessible as they should be, especially those really common things that you're using day in, day out. And obviously as technology changes, those sorts of things are changing while we're working in our workshop. So beginning of the 2024, a brand new year for us to get stuck into it. It's going to be a very big year, I think. Again, now's the time to analyse your workshop, see if there's a couple of things you could improve in regards to position of tools and equipment and the actual physical layout of your workshop. Happy New Year, we'll catch you soon.